Master the game of power. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Power isn't about being the strongest or the smartest. It's about strategy, control, and understanding those around you. In today's video, we're diving deep into a lesson as old as time, one that can elevate you to the top or destroy you completely. Welcome to the art of power and the rule that governs them all. Never outshine the master. You see, in any social hierarchy, whether it's at work, school, or even among friends, those at the top often appear confident, but deep down, many of them are insecure. Insecurity breeds fear. And if you make your superior feel that you outshine them, they'll view you as a threat. Outshining the master is like a pawn trying to challenge the king. The moment the king feels threatened, the pawn is taken off the board. It's simple and brutal. But here's the question. How do you ensure your survival while still growing your influence? How do you rise without being seen as a threat? Before we dive into the answer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below. Have you ever outshined someone in power, intentionally or unintentionally? Was it worth it, or did it backfire? Let's hear your thoughts. How to master this law. Let's break this down into a few simple steps, each one a calculated move in this game of power. Step 1. Flatter your master's ego. Subtlety is key. First, always make those above you feel secure. People in power need validation, and your job is to give it to them. Flatter them, discreetly, of course. Don't go overboard. Too much praise will seem fake. Instead, highlight their strengths in public, give them credit for your ideas, or ask for their guidance even when you don't need it. Think about it. When was the last time you praised your boss or a superior? Did they appreciate it, or did it feel forced? Now imagine if you could make them feel brilliant without even saying much. That's the power of subtle flattery. Step 2. Downplay your strengths in their presence. Next, dial down your brilliance. If you're naturally smarter, more creative, or more charismatic than those around you, hide it. Act naive. Make harmless mistakes that give your master the chance to correct you. This gives them a sense of control and authority over you, which will strengthen your position. Have you ever felt the need to downplay your own intelligence around someone more powerful? Was it difficult? Or did it help you get ahead without them feeling threatened? Step 3. Make them the hero of their own story now. A subtle smirk appears as you reveal the key to the strategy. The final move. Make your master shine. When you achieve something significant, make it look like they were behind it. Link your success to their guidance, their brilliance. Just like Galileo did when he discovered the moons of Jupiter, he didn't take all the credit. He aligned his discovery with the Medici family's power, making them feel like cosmic rulers. Think about that for a moment. Who could you make look good? Who in your life holds power over you? And how could you subtly make them feel even more brilliant while you secure your rise to the top? If these steps are making sense to you, hit that like button. And again, don't forget to subscribe. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think this strategy would work in your life? Or is playing humble too risky? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The art of patience. Now you might be thinking, what if my master is weak? Should I still hold back? This is where patience comes in. If the person in power is faltering, you may be tempted to seize control. But don't be reckless. Gauge their strength. If they are truly on the verge of collapse, then, and only then, strike. But do it subtly, so no one can accuse you of cruelty. Remember, power shifts naturally. The strong fade, the weak rise. Your time will come. Just make sure you're not the one forcing the fall too soon, or you could become the next victim. In the end, power is a game. It's not about showing off or always being the best. It's about survival, strategy, and knowing when to shine and when to stay in the shadows. Never outshine the master. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you a new perspective, make sure to subscribe for more insights into power, strategy, and success. And remember, those who play the game of power to perfection often rise unnoticed.